ahead and configure our email so that we not only can send it, but we also want to receive the emails that we're getting to our HostGator email. So let's go back into our settings, and we're going to open up these settings. Okay, and we're going to go back to accounts and import, and just below the send mail as will be a check from other mail accounts. Let's just go ahead and select add a POP3 mail account you own, and I'm just going to delete this really quickly. So add a POP3 mail account you own. So I'm going to select add POP3 and go ahead and enter that email address, andrew@aceedi.com. There we go. And select the next step, which will be our username, password, and don't touch the POP server. But we know our username is the same as our hosting account, and the password is the one we created when we created this email. Make sure the port is 110, and we are going to select label incoming messages, and I'm just going to go ahead and add this account. Alright, so now Andrew at aceedi.com. You can see it's checking mail, and I now have this linked to my other mail account, which is cool. I'm going to show you one more way back here inside our HostGator control panel, and let's just go back to our home here. Alright, and if we scroll down back to mail, we'll see that there is something called forwarders. We can go ahead and select this, and this is an easy way to do this as well. You can come down here, and I'm going to exit out of that, and you can just select add forwarder, and we can forward our emails from this account to the email we want to. So I could say, you know, Andrew at aceedi.com. Andrew at aceedi.com, and I want to forward to an email address, and I'm just gonna, do a random email address or whichever one I would be doing, and then add forwarder. So that's how you could add a forwarder if you don't want to change the POP3 stuff. But I'm gonna go back into my settings and click compose and say test 70. And oops, I meant to send this to Andrew at aceedi.com, and I'm just gonna give it a subject of test 70 and test 70. Oh, test 60. And just send this. And you'll notice that boom, that just showed up in my inbox. We now have our email linking to the account we created, and if we wanted to, I could select this and reply, and I could come up here and select which username I want to reply from. So pretty cool. We now have our emails linked up from our HostGator, and we know how to create emails that have the domain name that we bought. And you can do this for people that may be on your team, so you can set these up for everyone at your company. So pretty cool.